Hi guys, I'm here with my kitten who likes licking me. Today we're gonna be unboxing a fire alarm. It's the Wheelock RSS. I don't remember the full model, but it's an outdoor Wheelock RSS. Here's the box. Cooper's blocking it. That was easy. So let's get to opening, shall we? Let me get underneath this. Let's get over here. Let's see if I can. Okay. Yeah, this is the thing on eBay, the user on eBay. Basically just kind of saying a note. I like this paper, oh my god! Here it is. It's Outdoor Wheelock RSS Remote Strobe. RSSWP-2475W. The W is for weatherproof. So, a little difference between normal Wheelock RSS is, you see the 4 holes? That is so you can mount it easier. I don't think the cover comes off. It isn't a cover, it's the whole thing itself. You wire it through these 2 holes, and it is 180 candela. My god, it's gonna be bright. It says that right there. Yeah. It runs on 24 volts DC. Should be able to do that. I might order a weatherproof Wheelock back box soon. Not sure where I'd put it though. I don't really have another outdoor alarm. I had an outdoor spectral advance, but something happened to it. Cooper. He likes paper. Don't be like Lily. What's in there? Huh. Yeah. Waiting for kind of a while. I still have more alarms coming. 2 more. What's Cooper gonna do? Cooper's like, okay. He's like, okay. He doesn't care. Yeah. So, thank you guys for watching. Bye.